Nan, babo ako balen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Mark Cunanan, we're in Pampanga.
Ngayon po nga gawin ni guys at kami kang Bayong Bukalata Restaurant. Kaya ni malapit Holy Angel University. Sigurado rin Megaral Holy Angel University o retang medyo lalabas kayo ni Akit din yung Bayong Restaurant. So ilagyo na po is Boom Wings. Let's talk about the place. Na yung place siguro is can accommodate like 2 persons na kaya libut na tamo apin ni Ing
Shawarma rice.
Shawarma rice.
Yan.
Check that physical appearance. Itang shawarma is on top of a rice, which is for me, that's unconventional. Okay, ba natin lang muna man
Pork chops.
Pork chops.
Gatang flavors na pork chop. Ating itang Korean chili, tsaka itang garlic parmesan.
Garlic parm.
Tara na. Mata na lang.
Mata na lang. Yamanan nitang kaya, mabawang yan. Garlic.
Ini Korean na Korean yun. Medyo spicy, oh. Pero tolerable. Then yung flavored pork chops do are only 130 pesos. Only rice na yan.
Wow!
Pero metong bayo Kenny is itang chicken neck do.
Chicken neck.
Yes.
So, usually masaserve ka rin kaya is itamin wings na. Wings,
Thai.
dramet, mga
Yes.
yan. Pero, of course, isipan dala pang mo rin detang estudyante Kenny.
Yung chicken neck do is 169 pesos.
Okay. Sa tangmantahan na metong din kaya lang chicken. Habang pisasabihan na rin flavor na rin they actually have 15 flavors and they are still actually bala mo developing pa na bangat ang
Mas
dagdagan
takal
na pa rin
flavors
na,
din katakman yun.
exactly. So, ini is in lang salted egg and honey sriracha.
Yes. And then soy garlic tsaka chili mango.
Wow. Cheesy jalapeno ang pong honey butter. Cheesy jalapeno. Wow, balang mo.
Bayang flavor ito ah. Ang flavor nito ang binyedang neck kaya katamo is chili mango tsaka honey garlic.
Chili mango and honey garlic. Actually, reta rin. Tingnan itong na-interesting na flavor na buri kong takman.
Chili mango
Chili
tsaka
mango.
ang jalapeno.
Wow.
So, syempre muna kitang jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Okay.
This is the jalapeno.
So, just to mention, itong only wings and rice daw. It's just 279 pesos. Only wings and rice. Bulitaan congratulate kasi ka-open na pa mo niyang February 13.
Yes.
Para ka na ako tutukin kung takman itong karelang chili mango. So, I think this is itong chili mango na.
Chili mango.
This one is interesting. So, itong chili mango daw. Just a disclaimer, maparasyan talaga. It's on a 6 or 7.
Oh.
Medyo maparasyan. Okay, so in 4 pieces na chicken that comes with the rice kaning table tam is curry flavor. So, niya pala sobrang alasan na talaga itong curry flavor na. Wow! So, king neck da guys, atin lang chili mango ang pong honey garlic. Usually, tatangon mo na rin king kain
Toto bits.
Toto bits. Honey garlic yapin.
Honey garlic.
Honey garlic and garlic. Feeling ko din talagang mag-enjoy kayo ni is detang pinere na mag-aral kayo ng Holy Angel University. Detang establishments na
Malapit kayo ni.
For as low as 279 pesos at tinakang unlimited rice, ang pong unlimited wings.
At the same time, matila rin kay Kenny, potato wedges.
Yup.
Then yung potato wedges da is for only 60 pesos.
Siguro yung last na takman tamo, ako yung salted egg.
Sige.
Grabe pangarag-galing sa Usually, makapilan kayong order.
Yeah. Or pieces, makapila kayong pieces.
Okay.
Atin lang 4 serving, atin lang rin 6 servings.
Anyway, so di ba, patsihagi sa may 4 servings, hagi rin, if you went for the unlimited, you can always ask.
Yes.
Talagang kumabsiga before we go on and finish and enjoy our table ngayon. So yung only wings and only rice is only 279 pesos. Enjoy 15 flavors as of now.
Ang flavored chops do with only rice is only 130 pesos.
130 pesos. So take note na itang chops ka rin is just single serving.
Yes.
Pero in rice ka rin is
It's unlimited.
rice all you can. Iba tining tatawin yung pengan guys, yung shawarma rice is It's just 85 pesos. Less than 100 pesos. Andyan
Must try this one.
We would like to thank you guys for watching our video. If you are interested to dine here, siguro tagmate ang friend mo ba nga to, punta kayo kay ni Agkatmen.
Agkatmen.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Ito, this is an option for you to try ini Boom Wings. Boom Wings. So, bayo niyo po ini kayo ng Angeles City. And
As of now, they're open from 11 a.m. until 10 p.m. So, located yun along Santa Rosario Road, just in front of 7-Eleven near Holy Angel University.
Ito yung pinaka-landmark.
Yes.
So, ito guys, salamat po kayong pamanabit. Sabi mo kaya kayo. So, dumi pa yung pamangan kayo ni.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out. Bye.